we have just incised the skin and the subcutaneous tissue, and you can see the fluorescence into the axilla. So we have injected dye along the areola, 2 points. Then we have monitored the draining lymphatic. It is real time and navigational. And here into the axilla, after incising the skin and the subcutaneous tissue, you can see the fluorescence. So go into the pseudo mode. So here you can see the intensity. The maximum intensity shows by the red color. It's in the center. So we are sure that we have something into the axilla.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
So I will also show you the lymphatic methylene blue dye. Okay, and there is a tumor in between 9 to 10 o'clock position. It's quite nearer to sternum, close to lateral border of sternum. And there is another lesion just behind that. It's almost 5 into 6 mm size. So there are two lesions, one back to another one. So we need to focus on these two particular lesions. For mammogram, it's very important that there is proper exposure or not. So always we need to see a perpendicular line from nipple to pectoralis major muscle. So in this, there is sufficient exposure, but in the single film, you can see there are not both the two lesions are visible. That's why it's important to have multiple views. Between 9 to 10 o'clock position, left side, there is another small tumor of 5 to 6 centimeter size, just posterior and medial to that particular tumor. So there are two lesions, multifocal lesions, and there is no obvious lymph node in the axilla. So we are planning for type 1 oncoplasty, wide local excision type 1 oncoplasty along with sentinel lymph node biopsy. So for breast oncoplasty, basically if there is the loss of volume is less than 20%, and if we can do the breast can give proper shape and aesthetic outcomes by mobilizing the dermoglandular mobilization, by mobilizing the gland or bit of fat, by undermining the skin flaps. So that's called type 1 oncoplasty.
Okay.
When there is a loss in between 20 to 50%. So if you divide the breast into 4 quadrants, so one quadrant each, almost it makes 20%.
Okay.
Okay. So if their defect size is 20 to 50%, then for that particular purpose, you need to go for type 2 oncoplasty.
Okay.
Either by displacement, usually it's not possible, so you need to do some flaps like rotation or something, or by volume replacement like perforator flaps. So in this particular patients, first we are going to demonstrate sentinel lymph node biopsy. Basically, currently it's standard of care for lymph N0 axilla when there is no clinical palpable lymph nodes. So we can do it by standard is dual dye technique, either by methylene blue or radionucleotide, or by methylene blue or ICG. Currently, a lot of literature about the indocyanine green, and here we can see the machines. We are going to demonstrate how it works. So this is the Irilic system. This is the Indian made. Another system is of Stryker.
See the
that's also Spicam. So in this system,
marking.
first we'll inject
suture.
dye in the intradermal plane for ICG, and if we are doing the dual dye by methylene blue, then we are going in subcutaneous plane. This is the Orogreen dye. It comes in the powder form in 25 milligram. So we reconstitute it differently by either by 10 ml of sterile water in the concentration of 2.5 milligram per ml, and or by 5 ml or in the concentration of 5 milligram per ml. So it depends according to machines. In this Irilic system, they particularly prefer 5 milligram per ml.
I want to show this marking.
Okay.
2.5 milligram. So
Let him
we'll
complete.
inject.
We'll wait.
So first I will demonstrate how to inject methylene blue. So
So first
meanwhile-
we'll inject methylene blue.
yeah, because that takes time. So for methylene blue,
Come
if
here, let me
you are
show.
doing by single dye, then inject it in the subcutaneous plane and just massage it for 5 to 10 minutes so that it drains to the central lymph node.
Okay.
In ICG, there is a no need of massage most of the time, but sometimes you need to do gentle tapping over the lymphatic so that it can drain. The lymphatic channels,
sit and
we
do
have done a
this, no?
study
Because
and we
it
found
will
that
be
if
easy
we are
to
giving the
do
dyes in
sitting
the both
position.
different planes, then there is a better uptake because the lymphatic channels are different from subcutaneous and the intradermal area.
So lymphatic drainage from subcutaneous area is faster than the intradermal.
It's not sure, but it's different so that one do not block the other's channel.
Leo,
This is
give
the
me the
methylene
skin
blue
step
vial.
though.
Here you can see in the camera. This is
Okay.
the methylene blue. So we'll just take 2 cc. Here you can see I'm just injecting Gauchvis. So this is the methylene blue, and this is the areola. Okay. So in the positioning, it's very important. So always try.